Have you ever wondered what would actually happen if a human fell into a black hole? These cosmic monsters bend space, twist time, and swallow entire stars without leaving a trace. But the real story of what happens inside a black hole is far stranger than most people realize. In this video, we'll take a step-by-step journey into a black hole, guided by real physics and theories from NASA and modern astrophysicists. This won't be science fiction. This is the closest science can get to the truth. So, take a deep breath, because once we begin this trip, there is no turning back. What is a black hole? A black hole begins with the death of a massive star. When the star collapses under its own gravity, its mass is squeezed into an impossibly small point. The gravity becomes so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. The outer boundary is called the event horizon. Think of it as a one-way door. Once you cross it, you can't come back. Black holes come in different sizes. Some are tiny, only a few kilometers wide. Others are supermassive, millions of times the mass of our sun, sitting at the centers of galaxies, including our own. Approaching the black hole. As you fall toward a black hole, the first thing you feel is something scientists call spaghettification. Gravity pulls harder on the part of your body closer to the black hole. Your feet are pulled stronger than your head, stretching your body like spaghetti and squeezing it sideways. If you fall toward a small black hole, this force is so extreme that you are torn apart long before you reach the event horizon. But if you fall into a supermassive black hole, something unexpected happens. The gravitational gradient, the difference in pull, is much weaker at the horizon. This means you could cross the event horizon without feeling anything at all. Your fall would feel strangely calm, but from the outside, something bizarre happens. You appear to slow down. Time stretches, your motion freezes. To a distant observer, you stop at the edge forever. But from your perspective, time feels normal. Crossing the event horizon. Once you pass the horizon, the rules change instantly. Every possible path you take now leads deeper and deeper toward the center. You cannot escape. Even if you point a flashlight upward, the beam is dragged inward toward the singularity. Einstein's equations say that this singularity is a point of infinite density, a place where the laws of physics collapse. But many scientists believe the singularity might not be a point at all. Some theories suggest it could be a compressed core called a Planck star. Others propose it might connect to another region of space-time, a wormhole, or a bridge to a distant universe. NASA researchers are still trying to understand what truly lies inside. For now, it is one of the greatest unknowns in science. What you would see and feel. As you fall deeper, light from the universe above you becomes brighter and bluer. The stars stretch into long arcs of color. Space around you bends in impossible shapes. Time begins to flow differently for different parts of your body. The universe outside seems to speed up dramatically. Galaxies move, stars explode. Billions of years pass in seconds. Ahead of you, the path leads only toward darkness. You cannot stop. You cannot turn back. Eventually, you approach the singularity. At this point, the gravitational forces become inescapable. Your atoms begin to tear apart. The concept of time ceases to make sense. This final moment is impossible for any human mind to truly imagine. From your point of view, the journey ends quickly. From the universe's point of view, you fall forever. Mind-blowing facts about black holes. Black holes evaporate extremely slowly through something called Hawking radiation. The black hole at the center of our Milky Way, Sagittarius A star, is 4 million times more massive than our sun. A teaspoon of material from a neutron star weighs more than Mount Everest. If the sun were replaced with a black hole of equal mass, Earth would continue orbiting normally, meaning black holes don't suck things in. And finally, information might not be destroyed inside a black hole. It might be stored on the surface, coded into a two-dimensional layer, like a cosmic hard drive. Black holes are terrifying, beautiful, and mysterious, but they also hold the answers to the deepest questions about the universe. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, make sure to subscribe for more videos about space, time, and the future of humanity. Let me know in the comments, which space mystery should we explore next?